a system of equations here. You run into these types of problems often. So it's a good idea to know some basics. So there's 3 different ways you can solve a system of equations. Substitution being one of them, and that would be the most efficient way to solve this, because if you look, both equations are equal to y. So y equals 6x, so I'm going to take the 6x and I'm going to substitute it into the top equation for y. And that gives me 6x equals 3x plus 2. Now, we want to go back and look at the equation and make sure we know what it is we are trying to solve for. And the question is, what is the y-coordinate of the solution to the system of equations? So a solution to a system of equations is a point. It's a point of intersection. And there's an x and a y, but we only need the y. So I'm going to solve this for x, and then I'm going to have to substitute that back in to find the y. So subtract the 3x from both sides, and I get 3x equals 2. And now to solve for x, I divide both sides by 3, and I get x equals 2/3. But since we are looking for the y-coordinate, we have to substitute this back in for y. Substitute it in for x to find y. So which equation would be the easiest one to put it into? I'm kind of leaning toward this one right here. So let's see what that would look like. I'm putting the 2/3 in for x. So 6 times 2/3 is equal to y. So this is the same thing as 6/1 times 2/3. And if you multiply straight across, you get 12/3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So our answer is y equals 4. And then you can put it anywhere here. Just make sure that you bubble in the correct circle when you put it in your grid. Thanks for joining us.
You can stop